Okay guys, we are off to go get the newest resident of Piney Grove. We've been hustling this morning because we had to finish up the barn. So last night we got the stalls put together, the tartar stalls, which are awesome, but they're a real tight fit with the wood. So we ran out of time last night because we sold our house yesterday and we wanted to go celebrate. So this morning we had to finish up the wood on the stalls and we had to cut the rubber mats. And if you've never cut rubber mats before, horse mats, oh boy, there's something else. So we used the jigsaw and got them cut. And that's my truck beeping because I don't have my seatbelt on. Let's see if the gate opens. Open sesame. Open Deb. So this T-Opens gate opener is great. It's just slow. You can open it from the house. We just forgot because we were talking. Okay, babe, how much do you want to reveal before we actually get to our destination?
We're driving to Worley Farms, which is a local farm that specializes in minis. So I'm going to make you wait until you actually see him. But I will say it's a boy, but you won't know what he looks like. Okay, I can't stand it. It's a boy.
No, don't say it till we get there. What is the, how long does it take us to get there? And then we'll turn this off.
Apparently, it's going to take us 18 minutes to get there.
So 18 minutes, I didn't know it was that close. Deb's been doing all the research on this. So a lot of these specialized farms are up in Georgia and even farther north, you know.
Colorado.
They could be in
Montana.
the west, right, where you have to fly them in. So we are fortunate to have a local farm that actually specializes in what Deb wants in her barn.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Oh, hi. I'm silly. I'm crying.
Oh.
So beautiful. Are you kidding me? Hi. Oh my gosh, he's even cuter than he was in the picture. Hey, baby. Hey, sweet boy.
He is just as sweet as he is pretty.
Oh my gosh, he's just beautiful. Hi. I'm gonna probably sleep with you. I'm never gonna want you out of my sight.
All right, guys, we are here at Worley Farms. We got Wendy Worley. She is the breeder of, what is it, Highlands, Deb?
He's a mini Highland, yes.
Mini Highlands, Zebus as well, right?
Oh my gosh, he's just so perfect. He's so perfect. I can't even believe
What
how
is your
perfect
name?
he is.
All right, Deb, so his name, at least one of his names is...
His name is going to be Chief after my dad, and I'm hoping my mom will pick his second name, so like Chief Snickers or Chief whatever. My dad was in the service, and he was a Chief Master Sergeant in the Air Force, and so folks call him Chief, and they still call him Chief. And my parents have said for 7 years that they wanted to, when we first bought the property, that they wanted to buy our first pair of mini critters. And as much as I tried to talk her out of it, she said, no, I want to buy them. We've been saying it for 7 years, so he's sponsored by my parents. So they don't know we've named him after them yet. We'll tell them we're going to FaceTime him when we get home, and we'll FaceTime him and they'll see him, and then we'll tell him his name. So now he's Chief. What his second name will be, we don't know.
So we didn't have the mics on when Deb first came up, but Deb started crying immediately. And actually, when we drove up, they had him over there by the front of the house, and Deb didn't see him, but I saw him, and I saw how tiny he was. And when she saw him, she just immediately started crying, bawling.
I did.
You know, hugged Wendy over here, cried on her shoulder for a while, and took Chief Blank for a little walk. And this little critter is going home to us in Piney Grove. We've been working so hard the past week to get everything ready. We're about an hour late here to pick him up, but they're very gracious, and we told them we're running late because we want to make sure his permanent home is perfect. And he will be riding in the back of my truck for about 18 miles back to Piney Grove. So Deb's getting a lowdown from Wendy, and I'm here, and this thing is so doggone adorable. He's so cute, but I don't think he listens. I think he's gonna be a lot like Bella. where he just does what he wants to do. But I mean, you talk about a gorgeous animal. I mean, just so much, I don't know, pretty is the right word or whatever, but just so like delicate, and cows are kind of cool, right? But this being a mini cow, I mean, it is like a shrunken cow. It's amazing. It's amazing. Little bull cow. Hey, buddy. Here's the surprise, is that Wendy told us that she has another one that'll be ready in a couple weeks. So this might be an expensive trip, but they're herd animals, so they want to have company. So we're going to look at the horses, because Deb is thinking now 2 cows, 2 horses, 2 baby doll sheep. I don't know if goats are out of the picture. I know Chad Doss isn't really fond of goats, but I'm just not sure if goats are now out of the picture. This is an as we go evolving situation. Deb said that he just mooed when the horses made noise. How old are these right here?
About 2.5, 3 years old.
Okay, so they're full grown. That's as big as they get.
Oh yeah, and it's not.
He just mooed. It was pretty cute.
Super cute.
So this is a full-size mini cow over here. And are those mini donkeys?
They are.
Okay. So these are Herefords. And they look big probably in the camera, but I'm going to try and get me next to them. So is the cow that we're getting today going to get this big?
Yes, he'll probably be a little bit smaller.
How much water did he drink a day? I mean, I have a trough for him, but we're like, that seems so big.
Yeah. We've got one.
You talking?
You talking, buddy?
He's talking to him. Look at this one.
He's tiny.
Oh, he's talking. Aw. Yeah, we need him a friend. So.
The baby doll sheep.
And then the one in the middle, that's a Shetland sheep.
Oh, that was honey.
We should be having some goat babies maybe in November.
Aw. Oh.
So there's a full-size mini donkey. He is pretty. He's beautiful. Yeah, I mean, you got nice rolling pastures, and you got some wooded area there in the back. That's a 3-month-old mini donkey.
Pregnant? Or are they just that round?
So this is the mama to that one?
Yes.
That one over there, okay.
And that one's the mama to the little Jack that's walking by.
Those two are mama and son?
Oh, gorgeous. Yeah.
Dirt.
Hi, baby. Oh, look at her eyes. Yeah, we'll take her.
Oh.
We'll take her. This is your sister. This is his sister.
Like his real biological sister.
Yes, they're
got the
half
same daddy.
sisters. Yep.
Okay, so same daddy, different mommy.
Yep.
Gotcha.
Hi, beautiful. Hi. Yep.
No, you found your voice, didn't you? You have found your voice. You're very vocal, aren't you? Is that your sissy? That's your sissy? Oh my gosh.
2 days old.
Oh, look at you. Look at you, beautiful.
You are going to be expensive, little girl.
Yeah, she's found her voice. Huh.
So, have you thought of a name for a female, or you just had no idea?
No, I had no idea. Oh yeah, so she is 2 days old and he is 2 weeks old. 2 weeks on Monday, this past Monday, so.
Come here. Come here. All right, he's loaded up, headed to Piney Grove. Let me show you what he looks like. It's kind of silly. There's a cow in my truck.
There is.
All right, we have arrived at Piney Grove.
Chief ended up on the floorboard. He started on the seat and he ended up on the floorboard, and he was so chill we just left him on the floorboard, but making getting him out a little bit more difficult. Oh, you hear that?
Welcome to Piney Grove, buddy.
Isn't that the sweetest moo you've ever heard?
There you go.
Welcome home, Bubba. Oh, I'm gonna cry again. Welcome to your forever home, Chief. What you think, Bubba? What you think? He's so perfect. I can't even get over how perfect he is. You wanna go exploring?
Check out your new home.
Look at him. Look at him. Just look at him. You wanna go see your home? Listen to his little hoofs. You wanna go in there? You wanna go look in there? He might be thirsty. We've had him on a whoop. A little step. Little step. You wanna go see? Okay. Nope. You wanna go see?
He didn't want to step over it?
No, he didn't want to step over that. How about that? You thirsty? Want a drink?
Looks like he's going to do something.
Oh,
There he goes.
is he peeing?
Yeah, he's pooing.
He held it all the way in the
Yeah,
truck.
his
What
first
a good
poo.
boy.
His first Piney Grove poo.
What a good boy. That was a teeny tiny poop. That was
Yeah.
a teeny tiny little poop, mister.
Put my truck away and I went into the barn and there was no Deb and there was no Chief. And she's out walking her cow. It is just, I don't know, it's just cool. It's cool having a farm animal out here for the first time on Piney Grove because it's us achieving, you know, one part of our goal, which was to have farm animals on Piney Grove. And it's been so long for us to get to this point that it's, you know, Deb is emotional about it. She's talking with her dad right now. He's been called Bubba a lot on the drive home, and it was an uneventful drive home. We didn't film any because we were trying to, Deb was in the back with him, and I was just being ultra cautious when I was driving. But we got him here safely, and it's just really cool to have an animal on the property. Like, there is a farm animal on Piney Grove, and our neighbors have horses, and our neighbors on the other side have full-size cows, but I think on this 20 acres, it's the first time that it's had a true farm animal. Just look at him now.
Look at me walking my cow on Piney Grove. The most perfect mini highland that there ever was. I mean, honestly, is that not the most perfect baby highland you've ever seen in your life? Sure it is. So I just got off the FaceTime with my dad. My dad was a chief in the Air Force, and they sponsored him, as we talked about earlier. So for the first time, I told my dad what his name was, and that we named him after him since they sponsored him, and he, of course, was very tickled about that. So yeah, he's doing well. We put him in a stall. He took a poo, and he's exploring, and we're gonna leave him alone. We don't want to overstress him. Bella's staring at us, but and then we're going to introduce Bella to him later. I just feel like he's been on this lead for a long time, and I feel like he needs to drink. It's very hard for me to let him out of my sight. Seriously, it is. But I feel like he needs to probably do some decompression. He's 2 weeks old, and he's been up for hours.
Okay, guys, thanks for joining us. That was the whole trip from going out there to Worley Farms and then coming back with Chief. And also you got a sneak peek into our next baby, which we don't have a name for yet, but we'll be getting that female cow that you saw earlier. And that's a complete surprise to both of us because we weren't expecting that. And also you'll get to watch them grow up here because they're going to be a big part of our channel. And Deb has kind of had a change of heart on what kind of animals she likes. She is so in love with this little thing right here, and she's only been around him for about an hour. She might have changed her mind about what she wants Piney Grove to look like as far as animals in the future. So we'll keep you posted on that because it looks like that changed with that little trip over to Worley Farms. But we appreciate you guys watching as always. We appreciate the support, and we just love sharing our life on Piney Grove with you. But that's going to wrap it up. Stay tuned for more development on the animals. But until next time, y'all take care out there. And remember, life's short.
Be kind.
Tractor hard. And get you a baby mini Highland. Take care, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. He's tired. Got the world's finest stall here.